Warning. Power loss. Reducing load to conserve power.
Frequent power losses. It has become a pain in my neck. To overcome that, I have bought a UPS, but that UPS irritates a lot. It makes so much noise that I can't do even simple things. But to overcome that, I have come up with a solution. Let me show you that.
This is a simple solution which I came up with. When the mains is disconnected, nothing will happen. But when Home Assistant is turned off, it will rotate the servo. But you can see servo is rotating continuously, which will turn the UPS on and off continuously. To solve that, I have to change some code. So I will be back after changing some code. So let's test the power on sequence. Now, Home Assistant is turned off and its pin is low. And now power is on, so that means mains is high. So the servo should rotate and turn the UPS on. As you can see that servo has turned on the UPS, and the Home Assistant is set that when the power is back it will turn itself on. Now let's do the power loss sequence. Now I have turned off the mains power and I will shut down the Home Assistant so that Home Assistant pin will become low. That should turn the servo and turn off the UPS immediately. Now if you're wondering that how all system is working, so it's very easy. One relay is connected to the USB port of the Home Assistant, and the second relay is connected to the power adapter which is directly connected to the main power supply. And when the Home Assistant is turned on, it will activate the first relay, and if the mains is turned on, it will activate the second relay. Then relay will activate or connect the GPIO pin directly to the 5V pin on the Arduino, which will ultimately turn that pin high and low.